everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. It is Oktoberfest time. Yes, that time of year where good food, good beer, good camaraderie comes out. So let's make something Bavarian and Oktoberfesty. Today we're making Obatzda, a German beer cheese spread that dates back to the medieval ages. Yes, this is a historical recipe. Now, back in the medieval times, Camembert, which I have right here, and other cheeses were extremely pungent, and of course, the ones that were starting to turn were the ones that were used in recipes. And so over the years, centuries actually, the recipe has been refined and made better for modern palates. The amount of onions have been reduced. Back in the day, up until recently, 100 years ago, butter was mixed in with the Camembert. But modern tastes, they say, prefer cream cheese. So we have Philly full-fat cream cheese. Butter makes it a little bit too rich and greasy for today's tastes. And we got some Oktoberfest beer here. We got a brewing company, Left Hand Brewing Company out of Kansas City. We got some Marzen lager. We got some German mustard. And let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do in a very large bowl, shallow preferably, is we're going to cream the 2 packs of full-fat cream cheese. Now, to that we're going to add the salt and the white pepper and the paprika. Now, don't be shocked at the quantities here because I am doubling the recipe. In the notes below, I'll put the amounts for the regular size. Once we got that going on, we are going to put in the German prepared mustard, and we want 3 generous tablespoons, and that stuff tastes delicious. And to that, to help with the creaming, here's where we add the Oktoberfest beer, little by little, because this is going to be a spread, not a dip. Now, we're going to add the Camembert. I got 16 ounces of cream cheese here, so we got 16 ounces of Camembert. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. If you want to do it old style, instead of cream cheese, you could use the same amount of butter. So I used 1/4 of that wheel of Camembert that you saw, and now we're going to add the onion, and the chives. Now, it's probably going to take more than this spatula to mix this in. We're going to have to use a potato masher because we want to incorporate all the cheese. Right, so the potato masher did really well in combining and breaking up the Camembert, and it really smells delicious. So I put it in a bowl, about 1/3, about half, and we're going to chill this for an hour or 2. This is traditionally served cold, and it's spreadable. The remainder I'm just going to put in a Tupperware and put in the fridge, so join me then. After a little over an hour in the fridge, now we're going to garnish it, and we got some parsley here. Make it all pretty and green, and let's go ahead and serve it. Alright, so here we go. We got the Obatzda, we got some pretzel rods, we got some Bavarian soft pretzels, we got some pumpernickel bread. Where's my knife? Okay. What are we going to try first? I'm going to try a pretzel rod. So we're going to take a little bit of this thick spread. And one of the unique things about Obatzda is it's a cold spread. It's traditionally served cold. And the Germans love it. Nice. That's cheesy. That is really, really good. Oh, I got a piece of onion in there. I like that. That onion added, and you notice it wasn't a lot, it was just a little bit, but the onion flavor permeates, and they say that the next day the onion flavor blooms and blossoms throughout the dip. So if you want it mild, serve it the same day. Okay, so let's try some of this pumpernickel dark rye. Oh my, this is fantastic. Oh yeah, really good with that. Very good with this, superb with that. Wow. And of course, got my Oktoberfest beer here. Absolutely delightful. Wow, folks. You guys have got to make this. And you notice I made a lot bigger recipe than the one I posted on the notes. It's going to be gone in a couple days, I tell you that. Thanks for watching. Oktoberfest happiness to you all. Bye-bye.